Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to learn one new concept in Java which is called as the enumeration. Enumeration are also sometimes called as enum. Enum was added in Java in JDK 1.5. Enumeration means the named list of constant. When we want to create a named list of constant which are used when we know all possible values at the compile time, such as choices on a menu, rounding modes, command line, flags, etc. It is necessary that a set of constant in an enum type stay fixed for all the time. So it was introduced inside the Java language. So it is basically a named list of constant which are always by default public, static and final. An enumeration can have constructor, method and instance variable, and it is basically created with the enum keyword. Enumeration variable are used and declared in the same way as we declare our primitive data types. Now an enumeration can be defined simply by creating a list of enum variable. You need to define an enumeration with the keyword enum, as we have defined a enumeration with the name operator, and we are defining four operator here inside the enum: add, subtract, multiply and divide. Now you can see it is like class. We are defining the enum. First of all we need to use keyword enum, and then we need to give the name of the enum. Now you can create enum variable, but you cannot instantiate it like you do for the class. You can see from here, this is a simple program where we are demonstrating all kind of mathematical operation. Whatever operation we are going to pass to the enum variable will be performed by the compiler. Now public class enum demo, public static void main string args. Int number 1 10, number 2 is 2. Operator is the name of our enum. Then the variable of the enum is operator. You can see Java is a case sensitive language, so there is the difference in the enum variable and the name of the enum. Then operator dot divide, we have defined it at the divide. Now we set the result to the 0. Then we have used a switch case. Switch operator, if case is add, it will add to numbers. If it is subtract, it will subtract to numbers. If it is multiply, it will multiply the number. If it is divide, it need to check whether your number is greater than or 0, or whether it is equal to 0 or not. Otherwise your division output will be infinity. So it will check for your denominator that it should not be 0. So it will check whether the number is equal to 0 or not. If it is not equal to 0, then it will perform the result, and otherwise it will say it can't divide. Ideally I should declare this variable as the floating point. Okay, now at the end it will display the result. Now if I will run this program, you can see what output I will get. I should get the output as the 5, because 10 divided by 2 should be equal to 5. Yeah, it is 5.0 because I have declared my result as the floating point number. Okay, so it was all about the enumeration, which is used for creating the named list of constant, and we cannot instantiate an enum, but we can have the constructor and methods inside the enumeration. Thank you.